Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tierra. My name is Zafar Khan. Today we are going to show you one of the hidden point in Khandala, which is known as Nini Point. So you will see a beautiful view of missing link from here. So guys, let's explore it. So guys, to reach this Nini Point, this is the landmark which you have to keep in mind. You will find a bridge over here, so you have to park your car over here, and I'll show you the way to see the express link, missing link. So guys, from old Khandala road, you will have to take a left for this to reach the Nini Point. So this is how it looks. So guys, as you can see the missing link behind me. So please visit here at Nini Point to enjoy this missing link point, and just be safe guys. And in our next video, we'll definitely going to explore one of the most hidden point. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. So guys, this is the view.